I look good? Shit. Alright. Let's go. What's up, big squad? Long time no see. I apologize for being MIA a little bit, but I promise I have some excuses. But we're not about to discuss those. There is no excuse to produce content. But anyways, I'm coming to you guys with another video. This is a short video just to show you guys a little bit about the process of flaring a WRX Sti or WRX, or pretty much probably any car. I'm sure it's the same kind of process. Biggest question I get is, do you have to cut your fenders and fender wells? I am here to answer those questions, guys, and show you guys what I did to the car and what it looks like. But feel free to drop some positivity, some comments down below. What do you guys think of the job? Does it look clean? Or is there something that you guys would have done different? I am very interested in knowing what you guys would have done different. So anyways, without further ado, let's get on this video, guys. So here it is, guys. This is my car without a flare. This is what it looks like. I tried to clean it up as much as I could in order to just kind of show you guys exactly what your car can look like. Anyways, if you zoom in, you can tell that my wrap goes over this weather strip that I added. I did add a weather strip, guys. Mind you, your car is metal and it can rust. So what I used is this door edge weather stripping. And once it's nice and warm and heated up, you guys can go ahead and throw the liner all the way from down here where the metal starts, all the way to the back where the metal ends. This is your bumper, so you don't got to worry about that. The bumper was cut about, I want to say, 6 inches. It was cut. And then, of course, you add your hardware. You drill. I don't know why I didn't film this. This was very nerve-wracking and very, it was a big deal to me because, like I said, I love my car, but I really was committed to this style, and this is why I went ahead and sent it, guys. The front ones are already done. I'll do a quick little walk around of the front flare. I don't want to show you guys the whole car because that will be in another video. The car's still not completely 100% finished, but little few details I want to do. This is what the car will look like when you cut your quarter panel, guys. Very exciting, very scary, but when you guys see the car already mocked up with the flares, you guys will appreciate it a little bit more. Here we are, guys. This is what the finished product was when I went ahead and cut my fenders, and then I wrapped my flares. These are wrapped like the car. I wrapped the flares, and then I went ahead and added weather stripping, and then my Z-Spec hardware. Let's get a closer look. That's that Z-Spec hardware all around. But check out this weather strip, guys. Super clean job. I'm gonna add the link to the stuff that I used, like this weather strip, as well as the other little weather strip that I put inside where the well was cut in order to avoid rusting. But that's what this is, guys. It's a fairly scary job, but totally doable. You can do this yourself with a little bit of help. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and drop the car. I'm gonna air it out and show you guys what it looks like aired out. I did have spacers on this on my old flares. These are new. I didn't want to cut these, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. Let's go check out the other side, guys. And this is my car aired out with no flare, guys. It is literally on the tire. But yeah, it's not adding any pressure to my quarter panel just because I have it dialed in just right to where it should stop. So that should be good. But as you can tell, we did go with the two-tone. This is the front flare. Also have the Z spec hardware, the weather strip, very thin, very nice. And of course there's the weather stripping underneath that well so that it don't rust. Yeah guys, that's the front flare. Short clip of what I did to flare my car. Yes, we did cut. Yes, you have to be committed, and no, I don't regret it. I love the way the car looks. I love the flares. I'm happy with the outcome. It's a clean job. This is why I wanted to share this too, so that way you guys can also attempt to do a clean job. But anyways, tag me on all your posts, follow me on Instagram, tag me if you flared your car. I want to see the way you guys went ahead and did it. You guys probably did a better job. But anyways, a lot of exciting videos to come. Please like and subscribe. Check out the links below if you guys want to see the products I used to accomplish this look, where I got the flares as well as the weather strips. But anyways, make sure you guys follow, and I'll catch you guys later.